Let's get started with the iCareSystem in your iCombi Pro. The iCareSystem is your intelligent cleaning assistant that helps you get the cleaning done quickly and easily. With the iCareSystem, to get started, simply select from the cleaning icon in the top right hand side of your menu bar. And then in our cleaning system, you'll see at the top we have our Eco mode on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we have our Fast mode. The Eco mode is designed to get the cleaning done with the least amount of tablets and chemicals as possible, with the Fast mode getting the job done faster if you need to keep on cooking throughout your production schedule. To get started with the cleaning, simply select the cleaning cycle that you need from the light, medium, strong, fast, rinse or rinse without tab options. Once you cook a few cycles, the unit will automatically recommend with a green highlighted square around the ideal cleaning cycle. To start the cleaning cycle, simply select the cycle that you're choosing. In this case, we'll choose a light cleaning cycle. If the cabinet is hot, it will ask you to cool down before loading. But in this case, we're ready to start loading. It prompts you for the ideal number of chemicals. We have our active green cleaning tablets, and we also have our blue care tablets as well. Okay, so I begin by opening the door, taking care when opening the package, either using a pair of scissors or the cleaning tab there provided. We're able to simply open the tablet and place that into the cabinet. Now our active green goes into the cabinet, the round silver packet in the round silver hole, and our blue care tablet, when we open that one up, we're simply going to load that into the drawer at the front of the device. Once our tablets are then in place, we simply close the door and the cleaning process will start.